Looks like whatever this is, it's probably in front of the, underneath the car of my Kia Niro EV Hybrid 2019 that just popped off when I hit the driveway. Since Friday when I took my wife out to get sushi at HEB, when I hit the driveway arriving home here, this part here that was stuck to the driveway because of the frozen sleet snow here, icy snow, it popped up, it popped out of the Kia Niro, and now I'm trying to get that fixed and get that repaired. Trying to defrost and get ready for a breakfast drop. Early 6:15, 6:25 morning lunch drop. Special route from lunch drop. Trying to inflate my tires, keep my air pressure above. Let's see, is there something here on the door jammed here? Today's Monday, almost the end of January. As of now, at the time of this recording, don't know when I'll upload this on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, but it's cold. I'm out here trying to inflate my tires, get my tire pressure at around 36 psi. So yeah, just recording this for safety and all that. Yep, road is still icy. Oh boy, slick and icy.